And what's up, guys? Today's video is a little bit different. We have some nasty weather out there. I'm not sure if you can see that. I will show you, man. It came yesterday quick. I was going to record a video and we got screwed with some bad weather, but I had a few minutes of top-down footage of Emily and I, my fiance and I, driving this Sunday, and I just wanted to post it because I think that's the part of C8 ownership that maybe gets lost. I do a lot of videos. I've done cost videos and what it means to own it and specs and different things. And sometimes this is just the mundane is what we love about the Corvette. It adds a little bit of spice to life, and you get a beautiful day like we had on Sunday. You go out with, in my case, my beautiful fiance. You put the top down. We were out driving for 2.5, 3 hours together, talking about life, talking about our future, talking about our plans, talking about what's in store for us, talking about what we're working toward, and just enjoying the beautiful drive with the top down. So it's not much of a video in terms of a topic or anything, but we go on a beautiful drive. We get some footage of us with the top down. We were over by where we might be living together soon, and it was really just a super enjoyable thing. And sometimes you get the perfect drive and you take advantage of it, and it really makes you appreciate owning one of these cars and enjoying the finer things in life. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe to ZK's Garage. Check out all the videos on my channel for C8 content, and I will catch you guys on the other side.
Check it out on a Sunday.
We got the top down. We haven't had the top down since last summer. We are going to go for a nice, finally warm ass day out here with my beautiful fiance. How you feeling, Em?
I'm excited.
We're gonna go for a nice top down drive. Today we installed the solar throttle controller, which I have perfectly placed in there. Okay, you can see I tucked it behind the plastic. I did not want to go up there with it. We got that. All right, let's get on board. This thing is looking good, Em. I love it with the top off.
Me too.
All right, let's go. Bridge?
Yep. How should I film it?
So I'm just gonna rev bang it. How was that?
Huh?
That was it.
That was fun. Our Sunday together today. Absolutely incredible.
Hanging out, installing stuff on the car, top down drive. The warm weather is upon us and we absolutely love it out here in the great state of Pennsylvania. The Corvette, small bridge, going back to PA out of Jersey, and we got this tiny little bridge. Emily is scared shitless, but I told her I got the reins. I got this, honey. Yeah, sometimes depending on how stupido the people on the other side are, which is most of the time, the stupid levels of the oncoming traffic is at a severe high, as you all know when you drive on the roads, and you're almost astonished at the level of skill or at the level of competence of our fellow civilians. So I normally put my mirrors in because when I was driving on this once in my truck, Somebody did clip my mirror. Now it was like a plastic mirror, so it wasn't a big deal. But
All right, let's look at this bridge. Look at these lanes. I mean, guys. Oh, now we stopped. Great.
13,500 miles exactly on the dash. What a fun, honestly, drive this has been with the top down. We've been out for an hour and 16 minutes ripping, driving the Corvette. Super fun, super nice, super entertaining. Solar throttle has this thing performing at a high level. We are ripping it. You know I'm ripping it because my average miles per gallon right now is 11.8 on this drive. Because we're ripping it. And there it is, guys. That's the side of the C8 that you don't talk about. It doesn't show up on a spreadsheet, doesn't show up on an insurance payment, your monthly payment, what the car costs, how much power it has. It's just a good moment. You take it all in, you enjoy it for what it is, and we appreciate the days we have here alive on this beautiful earth. So I love days like that. Me and Emily had an amazing freaking time. I think you guys will be seeing a lot more of Emily on my channel. Obviously, my fiance, we're getting married here in June. So we're super excited, you know, and I appreciate all you guys, man. The channel's been doing great, and I just love doing this, making content on this, so hopefully it can keep growing and it can become an even bigger part of our lives. But I hope you enjoyed the video today. The C8 is a fine automobile, folks. I enjoy every drive in it. The solar throttle controller really woke it up, so really it's been a great mod. I haven't driven it much outside of that. Obviously, I told you guys we got this nasty rain, and it may not look as bad in the video, but you know, I was supposed to record yesterday. It came out of nowhere. Nasty weather, nasty wind, nasty rain, so I couldn't quite get a full video done, and now we got Memorial Day weekend here in front of us, so I hope all of you guys have a phenomenal Memorial Day weekend. If you got a C8, get that C8 out, enjoy it, and drive it hard, and drive it safely. All right, be respectful of everybody out on the road, and love all you guys, appreciate all you guys. Hit that like button. See you next time, everybody.